How to fix Twitch drop not working in the first Descendant. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is you can simply check the eligibility. So you need to ensure the game supports Twitch drops and you are watching a stream with drops enabled. Then you can link your account. So make sure that your Twitch account is properly linked to your game account. Check both Twitch and game account settings in order to confirm it. Then you need to go to the Twitch settings under connections tab, and then you need to ensure that drops are enabled. Next, you just have to ensure that you have watched the required amount of time on the Twitch stream that has drops enabled. Sometimes refreshing your Twitch page can help recognize your viewing time and applying the drop. Go to the Twitch drops inventory to see if the drop is there. If it is, ensure you claim it. Then you need to restart the game to ensure it is synced properly with Twitch and check for any new drops. You can even try to clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential issues with the Twitch website. If none of the options or none of the method works for you, then what you can do is you can simply contact to the customer support team of the game. Next, you can ensure both the game and the Twitch app are up to date to the latest versions. So by keeping these things in mind and with the help of these instructions, you will be able to fix the issue of Twitch drop not working in the first Descendant. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.